here. Give me that. Oh, you like this? You like that? Come here. Hey, come here. Give me that. Take it like this, like that. So you look pretty. See, you look pretty. You have a very nice teeth. Smile. Smile. Here, take it. Like this, like that. Stay. It's your dog, see? Okay, take it. Here. Hello guys, how are you guys today? Today guys is about my Ellie. It's about Ellie. So I'm gonna feed her because I'm pretty sure she's hungry now. Now as you can see, she just wait to till I say okay. So just keep watching guys. She's very patient dog. Okay, I'm gonna give her food. So we give her like this much. And then I'll mix with this. I'll mix with this canned food, the pedigree. I don't know if you guys can see it. See? Pedigree. She loved this one. I got different kind of flavor. So this one is the chicken. This is the chicken flavor. So I'll just mix with her food. And she's not gonna eat guys if I don't say the words. She will wait. Back. She is very trained dog, guys. She's very trained. She just gonna wait until I say the command word. So she just wait. She just wait until I say the word. Now she's licking. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Ellie, are you hungry? You see, guys, she's licking her lips. Sit. 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 Why you looking at me? Huh? Why you looking at me? Tingnan niyo, guys. Why you looking at me? Hmm? Why you looking at me like that? She just wait until I say the word. Lay down. Lay down. Ellie, lay down. Lay down. Sit. Sit. Ellie. Hey. Lay down. Lay down first. Lay down first. Lay down. Sit. No. Sit. Sit. You're not gonna get your food if you're not gonna sit. Sit. Ellie, sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yes. Are you a good girl? Huh? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yes, that's a good girl. Ellie is a good girl. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? So, you see, guys, Ellie, up, up. Okay. Now she got her treat. Good girl. Yes, that's a good girl. Good girl, Ellie. Good girl. Slow down. Mayroong nakapasok na langaw, guys. Lagot yan sa akin ngayon. Patay ang langaw, guys. Ayan. Ayan yung langaw. Patay ang langaw. So, that's it. She's done eating. Ellie, come here. Ellie. Are you a good girl? Yes. Good girl, Ellie. So that's it, guys. She just finished eat. She cleaned her bowl. She cleaned her bowl. Where are you going? Ellie? Ellie? Where are you going? Okay, guys. That's it for now. Thank you, guys, for watching. Ellie, say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Yes, that's a good girl. You happy now? Look, you got the boogie eye. You got the boogie eye. Good girl. Yes, that's a good girl. Not a good girl. Say hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Say hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Yes, that's a good girl. Good girl, Ellie. Bye, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.